What's up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here. Just wanted to announce that tomorrow I will be dropping keyword number 1 for December in my Elite Keyword Mastermind course, the course in which I teach you how to find great keywords in minutes, sometimes even seconds, just like how I've shown in this video with actual methodologies that are proven to work over and over again. So I do give good keywords out here on YouTube, and I show you how I come up with it, like step by step. But for the best keywords, you gotta head over to the Keyword Mastermind. So I've got a link below for you to check that out. Now, all I really want to ask for today is to all of you. I know I've been talking to a few of my students, and people are seeing great results, and I'm not just saying that to drum up business, but people are really seeing good results in December for keywords that they've put out books for, and just overall December sales are good for everybody. It looks like everyone's really enjoying it, and just like how I did here with yo-yo tricks, some people have some books out that are matching the success I had and am still having, and aren't even surpassing it. So I'd like to toss back the question to you guys and ask you all, what would you like to see more from this channel? What kind of topics do you want to address? What kind of content would you like me to either feature more of or continue to bring on? If it's, PowerPoint presentations on whatever aspects of publishing, if you want to see keyword research, how I assess keywords, maybe you want your keywords assessed here live on YouTube if you don't mind. Let me know what you're interested in seeing and having shown here on my channel, and I'd love to just serve you in the way of what I can do for you with my content and with what I know about Kindle publishing. So just going to make this super short video. I'm not going to draw it out any further. Let me know in the comments below, and I will be sure to not only reply, but if I think your idea is at least decent, I will follow up with video content on what you're needing or asking for. So until then, guys, have a good weekend. Later.